Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beastly Slayer, and we are back with another unboxing video. Today we have a very special and pretty expensive thing to unbox. So that is this, the Elgato HD60 X capture card. So as you know, before I had this capture card which did a pretty good job helping me stream on YouTube, but then it only could help me stream for 1 hour, and after that my stream would either lag or it'll just completely turn black. And it has written here it records 4K, the stream in 4K, but it does not. It only does, I guess, 720p or something like that. So to improve my quality of stream, I have got the HD60 X, and today we are going to be unboxing this only. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of the piece, big boy. So the packaging, oh shit, so the packaging is completely biodegradable. So Elgato has done pretty good job in the packaging as well. Right, so here's the box. Let's open it. Right, this feels pretty premium. Let me just alright, so here's the box, and in this we get the capture card first of all. Okay, so this is the capture card HD60 X that you get in the box, and then you get an HDMI to HDMI cable to connect it to your console or monitor, and then you get HDMI to USB-C type cable to connect it with your laptop, and then you get some stickers which you can stick wherever you want, and a user manual. Alright, let's see what is there. Oh, there's nothing else. So this is what you get inside the box: the capture card, 2 cables, and a user manual and a sticker. Now let's go ahead and set up this into a console and monitor and show you how it works in OBS. Alright, so first you're gonna connect the HDMI cable into your PS4, and then connect the other end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI input, and the HDMI connected to your monitor should be connected to your HDMI output, and then you'll connect the USB-C in this port and connect it to your laptop. So let's just set up everything and I'll show you. Alright, so you can see I've connected the HDMI input from my PS4 to the Elgato, and the HDMI output from the monitor to the video capture device, and I've connected the video capture device into my laptop. So now let's go and check how the video from the PS4 looks into OBS Studio. Alright, so I have everything set up. My PS4 is on. I have the video capture card sending the video onto my laptop, but before that you have to download the 4K capture utility, Elgato's software, to properly connect and do some changes in the setting of the capture card. So here you can see this screen, and here you can see it shows 180p 60. It is the resolution, how it's recording. Here you click on the settings, and the capture cards, all the setting comes. So format, here you can choose your format. Why I cannot. You can check for updates if there's any updates in the capture card. Let's go on device. Then you can see the Elgato HD60 X, HDMI. Okay, everything is there. Picture. Okay, you can change the brightness, so you see how the brightness of the screen changes and all that. Contrast, saturation, hue, everything. Then recording. Here you can put all your folders where your recordings will be saved, screenshot, everything else. Okay, so that's already set up for me. And then you have the mic setting. So here it's set to default Elgato's. That is up to you. If you have a microphone, you can put that as well. Alright, so that's all you can do with the settings. Okay, now let me show you this in OBS Studio. So let's go ahead on OBS as well. Alright, so here it is in OBS as well. It works perfectly fine in OBS, and there you can see capture card sending the video through, and it's even in good quality as well. We'll check that when we stream, and stream is coming soon guys, so stay tuned for that as well. Right, so basically the Elgato 4K utility software lets you record the video in 4K on its app, whether you cannot do it on OBS I guess. And you can also record your videos and along with your audio on the 4K utility capture software, so that's pretty good as well. But mainly for streaming we use OBS, so I'll stick to that only. So yeah, that was the software, and my review on the capture card is that it's good, better than my old one, which is this, pretty better. So yeah, that's it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.